number 7 says divide using long division or synthetic division. One thing you need to pay attention to, regardless of whether you're doing long division or synthetic division, is if there are any missing terms. So like, say, for example, we had x to the third, and we didn't have an x squared term, well, we need to include 0x squared. But this one, we started off with x squared minus 15x plus 10. So we have each degree. We have x to the second, x to the first, and x to the 0. I'm going to start off with synthetic division. I'll also do long division in a minute as well. But for synthetic division, we need to take the coefficients from our dividends, so 6, negative 15, and 10, and set those up. And in the box in the upper left here, we're going to put whatever makes our divisor equal to 0, whatever our root is there, and that's just 4. So for synthetic division, we're going to place a line down here, and we're going to drop that first coefficient down, so that's 6. Next up, we're going to multiply that 6 by 4, which gives us 24, and we're going to add those two numbers, the negative 15 and the 24, giving us 9. Multiply that by 4, we end up with 36. Add those two together, we get 46. And remember, that last number that you end up with in the last column is your remainder. So, going through, 46 is our remainder, this is our constant term, and this is going to be our x to the first term. Again, your final exponents have to be one fewer than you started with. We start off with an x squared, we divide it by x, so we're going to end up with just x to the first. So our first term is 6x to the first. Second term is just going to be plus 9. Our third term is our remainder, so we're going to have 46, and remember, you always put your remainder over your divisor. So 46 over x minus 4. And there you have it. Make sure you put a box around your answer, and we're good to go. So that's how we do it synthetically. I'm going to erase it a second, then I'm going to do it long division style, because some people prefer that, which is fine. Whichever method works best for you. So long division, putting my dividend underneath that long division bar. So we got 6x squared minus 15x plus 10, and we're dividing that by the whole group x minus 4. Now remember, we're really paying attention mostly to that x. So x times what gives us 6x to the second? That's 6x. And we're going to multiply, I'm just going to add more notes here. We're going to multiply that whole thing there by that 6x that we mentioned. So x times 6x gives us 6x squared. Negative 4 times 6x gives us negative 24x. Now just like we do with long division with numbers, we got to subtract one line from the next. So 6x minus 6x, that gives, or sorry, 6x squared minus 6x squared gives us 0. And then negative 15x minus negative 24x. That's like adding 24x, so that gives us positive 9x. Make sure to bring down that next term. So now we say x times what is going to give us 9x? Well, that's just 9. So multiplying this whole group by 9, we're going to do 9x, so x times 9 is 9x. And then 4 times 9 is, or sorry, negative 4 times 9 is negative 36. Again, we subtract one line from the next. So 9x minus 9x is 0. 10 minus 36x, or sorry, 10 minus negative 36, goodness, is 46. That is our remainder. So, just like we did in the last one, we take a remainder, 46, put it over our divisor of x minus 4. So either way we do it, we end up with 6x plus 9 plus 46 over x minus 4.